Variopox injection resin is a solvent-free two-component epoxy primer with low viscosity. Always use the recommended personal protection during application. After cleaning, degreasing and sanding, the surface should be degreased one more time with double coat degreaser. To remove the last specks of dust, you may use a tack cloth. Oily woods, such as teak, should be degreased thoroughly. Open the lid of the base component and stir the base. Weigh the desired quantity in a clean mixing cup. Carefully open the hardener and avoid splattering. Add the hardener to the base in the correct quantity, 100 parts by weight base with 50 parts by weight hardener. Stir the mixture thoroughly until homogeneous. Pour the mixture in a clean mixing cup and stir again. Apply Variopox injection resin by disposable brush or Variopox nylon roller. Roll out a new roller on a piece of clean cardboard to remove as many loose particles as possible. Apply the primer and divide it evenly over the surface to avoid sags and runs. Apply one thin coat for wood. For an osmosis repair system, a more generous coat may be applied. After 24 hours curing at 20 degrees Celsius, the surface must be sanded with grit paper P120 before a next coat of Variopox roll coating, Variopox impregnating resin, Variopox universal resin or Amopox HB coating is applied. After 48 hours curing at 20 degrees Celsius, sanding with P180 and degreasing with double coat degreaser, a first coat of double coat WV or double coat karat may be applied. Good luck!